Okay, wounded defender self-defense techniques with the double action revolver, right hand only reload. As always, we assume by now you've gotten behind cover and bought yourself some time for the reload. We'll run it on the electronic timer. We're starting with the Ruger GP100 with all empty casings, like it's just been shot empty. The reload will be live training ammunition. This hand will be on my collar so it doesn't reflexively try to help. Right hand only, the shot after the reload is fired at 11.06 seconds. From that, subtract about a quarter of a second for reaction time, and you have a good idea of a reasonable time in which to perform the technique.